Hey viewers, welcome to your techie support. Do subscribe to my channel for more unboxing reviews and DIY videos. We have the new Samsung Gear Fit 2 here. Let's do a quick unboxing and review. Firstly, let's see what's on the box. It has GPS tracking, auto activity tracking, instant notification, music player, auto HR tracking. These are the quick features, and the additional features which are shown here are 38.6 mm curved AMOLED display, inbuilt GPS, HR which is heart rate, accelerometer, barometer and gyro which are used for your activity tracking, and this is a good water resistant and dust resistant. And what's in box items are Gear Fit 2 charging dock, quick start guide. On the side of the box we have a strap checking which will enable us to check our wrist size. Based on that you can select the size of the strap, like small and large. And on the other side we have the price details, which is showing 15,000 plus, but Flipkart is selling this for 9,999 rupees, and we have additional discounts for exchange and debit cards or credit cards discounts, etc. Let's unbox. It has a docking charger inside. This looks good, but we may have to carry this if we are traveling. I think this is a negative part on this, because we'll have to carry the charger wherever we go. It would have been better if it has given a regular micro USB. And we have the quick start guide and the warranty card. This comes with a standard 1-year India warranty from Samsung India. Here we can see it has a good curved AMOLED display, and it looks glossy and shining. On the back we have the heart rate sensor and 2 pins for charging dock, which enables the gear to charge with the dock. This has a magnetic docking, so you just leave it on the gear, it fixes to the dock. We have 2 buttons on the side. The smaller one is the home key, and it is also the power on and off key, and the top the larger one is the back key. So here is my new S gear. After the unboxing video, here turns the turn for review. Firstly, we have this beautiful screen curved display. It has a good PPI. You can view this display in bright sunlight as well. You have to increase your brightness. It has a heart rate sensor. Once you first start it, it will ask to install Samsung Gear on your phone, and you can even use this without a phone. It clearly says this is the first screen you get when you turn the gear on. Use gear without phone connection. It's asking for language. There is no India, so I'm selecting the default United Kingdom. If your gear is not connected to your phone, some functions will not be available. If you use your gear without a phone connection, you may have difficulty reading the content, including the end user license agreement, because of the size of the display. Anyhow, we will not be reading any license agreement in any of this. Says tick the following boxes if you agree to the license agreement information from the below links. That's a blind tick that we do every time. It's asking to create a pin to use with the gear if connected to your phone and you want to back up or restore data. You can create a pin on this device as well, like on your phone with a 4-digit or 6-digit pin. I'll set some pin. It's asking for the date. It has the right data set. I'll go with next. It's asking for to set time. I'll look at the time. So as it is in 24 hours, you have to enter 20. We'll go backwards because we are near to 40. So to go through the widgets, here we have two buttons. This is the back key and this is the home key. It's asking to press back key to go back. Slide down from the edge to view status info. Slide up from the edge to hide it. Here I've got a home key. Here I've got it. Press home key to view apps. Press home key again to go back. So cover the screen to turn it off. Don't know how it works. Well done. All done. Enjoy your gear. To update your apps automatically while your gear is connected to a Wi-Fi network, turn the Wi-Fi, then go to settings, gear and all. Okay. So here is the default screen. You can see This is the calories burnt today. Exercise, steps, how many floors you have climbed today, heart rate. You can add some more widgets. How much caffeine did you drink today? How much 8 glasses of water did you drink? That's it. And we have only 2 additional widgets here. Maybe we can add some more. If you slide down, we can increase the brightness. You can go to the music player. This shows the Bluetooth is on, and you can see the charging status. It has 12% of charging. So if you click this, we have keep max brightness for outdoors. So it has 11 for indoors. 4 to 5 is fair enough, and we'll get a good battery backup. If you use 11, you'll have to charge your gear every day. So go to home. So what we have here is the settings, music player, 24 hours log, exercise, steps, floors, heart rate, water, caffeine, timers, smart stopwatch, settings, display, vibration, device connections, screen lock, power saving, profile, health, nuggets, workout detection, gear info, connect to phone, display, watch faces. Okay, we have pretty more watch faces available. I think we lost it. We can tap and hold here to change the watch faces. These are the default watch faces given. We can even download few more watch faces from mobile app. This is a standard one. Okay, this was the default one. So exercise, you can select activity type: running, walking, cycling, hiking. Exercise, step machine, treadmill, lunges. There are many, but we don't have dumbbells and all, so I usually select other workouts for when I do dumbbells. So running, walking, this one has a special feature which it can identify what activity you are doing. If you are running, if you are walking, I don't know about the others, but it auto detects your running and walking. Guide at intervals. For every 5 minutes you will get a vibration reminder that you have completed 5 minutes for that specific exercise. Heart rate. It says auto heart rate measure. Let me measure my heart rate. You have to hold tight and make sure it's still. My flash is pressing on that display. So it's 76 BPM. That's what it measured. And it says this week minimum and maximum. So 76 was the minimum and 90 was the maximum this week attained. So this is analyzing the whole week's heart rate. It says minimum, maximum, and now. Tips to receive notifications. Okay, as I'm not connected to phone, I will not receive any notifications. This one, what does it do? Turn on do not disturb to mute all alerts except alarms, and to stop gear waking up when you raise your wrist. Let's see what happens. So let it go to sleep. So when you lift your hand, it doesn't work. You have to manually press this to check time and all. If you turn this off, then we should be able to get the time. Sleep, baby, sleep. There you go. There it works. When you lift your arm, it wakes up. So actually you don't need to wait it to go to sleep. You just drop your hand, it goes to sleep. You lift your hand, it wakes up. What else we have in this is we'll go to home. We got an inbuilt music player, and you need to connect your phone to the gear. Okay, I don't have a phone right now. This has got an inbuilt music player with 4 GB. You can load songs onto this device through Bluetooth, and you can listen to songs only with this device with the help of a Bluetooth headset. You need to pair a Bluetooth headset to this, and you can listen to songs with. We have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi available, and this has a GPS inbuilt. This will track all your activity with maps. Once you sync with your device or phone, you can see all the map track where have you traveled or where have you done your jogging, running or cycling. That's a good advantage. You don't need to carry your phone always when you're going out for your running, cycling and all. This watch alone tracks your path with the help of GPS, inbuilt GPS. You have Wi-Fi, you don't need a phone always to sync your data. Once you are connected to Wi-Fi, all your data will be synced to your Samsung account. Bluetooth, you can use Bluetooth to sync it with your phone and to connect to pair a wireless Bluetooth speaker or headset. Gear info, it says update software, but I never get a software update. You can reset your gear from here, from home screen settings, gear info, reset gear. And the bad and worst thing I have observed on this device is whenever you pair with a new phone, or if you stop syncing with your mobile device for a week or so, it will not sync with the same device and it will ask you to reset, where you will be losing all your data and all your fitness tracking. That's a bad part. That's a negative part I have seen on this device. And this charger is a unique one. If you lose this charger, I think you'll not be able to use this device. It would have been better if a mini USB port, same as the Android devices, was provided to this. It would have been comfortable. You'll not need to carry additional charger, but in this case you will have to carry your charger along with you wherever you go, whenever you are traveling. So this is a display where what you get when you hook it to the dock station or dock charger. It will show the time and the charging percentage, but it is not stable. It will go to sleep after a few seconds. There you see. It just shows a power symbol. When you touch it, it shows the time and it's a percentage how much it's getting charged. It takes about 30 minutes or more for a full charge. I charge it once in every 2 days. That depends on my usage. Even if the watch is left idle, it requires a charge for at least once in 4 to 5 days. The standby time is 4 to 5 days max. If you leave the watch idle, your battery will drain in 4 to 5 days. Enable power saving, battery low, gear needs charging. If you enable the power saving mode, you will get a grayscale display for power saving. You will be able to view only these options when it is in power saving mode. To press a button for the display to turn on when it is in power saving mode, but it will track all your activity even if it is in power saving mode. Your steps, the calories burnt, the flows you have, the flow steps or hill climbing and all. That's all. I'm disabling the power saving mode. I'll hook it to the charger.